Samsung is reportedly locking in July for something far larger than anticipated, according to a recent leak. Not simply the Galaxy Z Fold 8, but a brand new, broad foldable 2. To be honest, there is more fascinating information than that. It's possible that the S Pen will return at last. In an effort to make the gadget slimmer, it was discreetly eliminated with the release of the Galaxy Z Fold 7 last year. Even while the choice made sense in theory, devoted fans didn't feel that way. It appears that Samsung may now be prepared to address that. According to the source, the S Pen may make a comeback soon after the wide foldable is released. Although the precise time is still a little hazy, the goal is apparent. The Korea Economic Times said that Samsung will host its next Unpacked event in London on July 22. A worldwide platform demonstrating Samsung's continued commitment to its foldables. If this is accurate, the long-rumored wide foldable and the Galaxy Z Fold May 8 be unveiled simultaneously. A moment that could subtly transform Samsung's whole product line. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8 is beginning to feel authentic. Nor just another theory, nor just another rumor. The image is gradually taking shape, with a launch anticipated in July 2026. Detail after detail, leak after leak, and now even the cost is coming to light. According to a recent X report that Glock released, Samsung appears to be adhering to a tried-and-true tactic. The future gadget may come in 3 models, similar to the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7. One with 256 GB of storage and 12 GB of RAM. A top-tier model pushes things farther with 16 GB of RAM and 1 TB of storage, while another has 12 GB of RAM and 512 GB. Samsung may maintain prices at roughly $1,999, $2,199, and $2,499 despite all the improvements and growing expenses.